Hello everyone. So in the previous video I explained Azure SQL services, but now in this video I will explain Azure services for open source database. So apart from Azure SQL services, in Azure we have some other popular relational database services like MySQL, MariaDB and pSQL. So in this video I will only explain about the Azure open source database services, but in Azure data engineering class I will explain, like I will show how to create these services and then how to use these services. Okay, so let's start with Azure database for MySQL. Azure database for MySQL is a platform as a service implementation of MySQL in the Azure cloud. Okay, and after using this service we get some features given by Azure. So let's see the feature. High availability feature built in, predictable performance, easy scaling that respond quickly to demand, secure data both at rest and in motion, automatic backup and point in time restore for last 35 days, enterprises level security and compliance with legislation. High availability feature built in, it's mean like these services will be available for like 99% of the times, you can assume. Predictable performance, like it show the performance for next day also, like after 2 days what will be the performance of our database. Easy scaling that respond quickly to demand, it means like when our demands increase, just example, now I am using 10 GB of the data, 10 GB RAM. Okay, so suddenly my data volume is increased, now I need 25 GB. So in that case what will happen, it will Azure will increase our system capacity, but when I use on premise, then in that case we have to add that the storage in our service. So if we compare on premise and cloud, then I can say its scaling is easy compared to on premise. Secure data both at rest and in motion. So SQL Server provide security to enforce firewall rules, require SSL connection and many other things managed by Azure SQL Service. So it secure our data both at rest and in motion also. Automatic backup and point in time restore for last 35 days. It means it takes automatically backup, and then we have an option to keep last 35-day data as a backup. Okay, so in the next video I will explain Azure database for MariaDB service. Thank you.